Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let's get into the investigations part of psoriasis. So after you have been diagnosed with psoriasis, first if you have any sort of cracks or ridges or the scaly appearance, after consultation with a doctor, they will ask you for investigations, and the primary one being the skin biopsy. As you can see in the picture, they will take a punch test, that is they will take a portion of your skin and examine it under the microscope to see what sort of psoriasis is there and how deep the infiltrations of the T cells are, and also how extensive the psoriasis is and what type of psoriasis. We can all confirm this with the skin biopsy. And the next is being power Doppler sonography. What is this power Doppler sonography? Is that, see, under the ultrasonography, they will see the blood vessels, how the blood vessel flow is, and what sort of extent it is there, and also if it is associated with psoriatic arthritis or if there is any inflammation associated with all these other features under the skin can be seen through power Doppler sonography. Usually this is not insisted unless and until you have psoriatic arthritis, which is the problem of your joint. So usually they will do a skin biopsy if needed only. If they feel that it is very extensive and it can lead into psoriatic arthritis, they will be doing a power Doppler sonography. Now coming into the single nucleotide polymorphism or SNP. Remember that psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. So there are certain gene alterations or mutations that can happen. To know these gene mutations, we can do SNP. Usually when people are suffering from psoriasis in India, we advise skin biopsy. But in Western countries, they also do this SNP on a regular basis to see what kind of genetic mutations they have and also if the further generations will get it. Coming to the consultation part. Say if you're suffering from psoriasis, eczema, any other skin diseases, you're looking for proper cure and also you're looking for a good, better form of treatment, then you should be consulting Fidicus Homeopathy. So in Fidicus Homeopathy, we have in-person consultation and also online consultation. If you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus, we would advise you to come in person and consult us. No, if you're staying away, far away, you can get an online consultation. We have two options here. One is audio consultation and the other one is video consultation. And after the consultation, if you have any sort of skin investigations, you can share it with us. And if you need any more, we will ask you to get a skin examination or an investigation done. After the doctor consultation, the medicine will be delivered to you directly to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And anywhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call through this number or WhatsApp us or ping us or messages on this number. If you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you are suffering from psoriasis or any other skin diseases, if you're looking for top sort of treatment, you're looking for a proper cure, doctors who will treat you properly, then you should opt for Fidicus Homeopathy. Why should you opt for Fidicus Homeopathy? Because it stands for highest chance of health. Here, because they are already treating patients who are suffering from psoriasis and other skin diseases, and the success rate is really good. We have high success rates, the transparent treatment, there's no gray area between the patient and the doctor, and also the personal care here at Fidicus, that is if you're having any sort of myths, any sort of doubts, what about doubts about your prognosis, all of this will be educated, and also the personal care is really good in Fidicus. So if you want to opt for cure, opt for Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.